Paragraph. Dhaka Metro Rail. Dhaka Metro Rail project is a wise and far-sighted initiative of the government. It is being developed by the Dhaka Mass Transit Company in Dhaka, Bangladesh. This long cherished metro rail is the second largest project of the current government of Bangladesh. A total of 5 lines, MRT lines 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6 have been proposed for the project. MRT line 6 in the first line is the first line to be approved under the project. It is from Uttara to Motizil. The total length will be 20 km. Its estimated cost is $2.82 billion. It is expected that the metro rail will commute 60,000 passengers per hour. It will have a station. It will have a station on 16 points of the city. As a result, people will be able to move easily from one place to another. It will also reduce the existing traffic jam to the great extent. Moreover, the traffic condition will also be improved as people will then less rely on private cars. The metro rail is eco-friendly as well because it will run by electricity. Hopefully, it will not take more than 40 minutes to travel the entire route. Metro rail will have many positive impacts on our social and economic life as well. So the city dwellers are awaiting excitedly for the inauguration of this dream project.